back to my channel. So today we are counting down my top 7 products during this quarantine. So let's go. So the first product I want to talk about is a toner. This is the Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Cooling Toner, and it's a really nice toner. When you apply it, you feel a cooling sensation on your skin, hence the name. It also has chemical exfoliation properties. This has BHA, and that is salicylic acid, and it has 0.5% of it. So this cleans your skin from within. It's a really good toner. I use it twice daily, once in the morning and once in the night after I wash my face. And the next product, it's something I apply after this. So let's check it out. Next product is this. This is the Lotus Professional's Phyto RX Clarifying Pimple and Acne Cream. This helps out in pulling out all of the gunk and buildup that you might have in your skin, which will be causing you pimples and clogged pores. So I have few pimples over here, few over here, a little one over here, and I might get some clogged pores around my nose. So I just apply this. So I just apply this before I sleep and after I wake up twice a day. After the toner, I wait 15 minutes and then I apply this. It really works. It has worked for me within the span of 1 to 2 days. So I highly recommend it. Next thing on this list is a makeup essential. This is the PAC Beauty Blender Classic. It is not actually a beauty blender, it's a beauty sponge, I would say. And if you know what the actual beauty blender is, then you might know the difference. This is the color of it. It looks pretty similar to a beauty blender. It is very easy to work with, blends your makeup out seamlessly, easy to wash, doesn't soak up much of the product, and really helps out blending all of the edges, doesn't clog pores. Because even sponges can do that, because these can build up your product and then they can push it in your pores and then the pores will clog. This doesn't do that. It washes out super easy. This is a must buy in my list. Next thing on my list is a face razor. So yes, these are a very big essential for me because I have really bushy brows. And I cannot go to salon right now. I just cannot risk it because the cases are just increasing day by day. So I don't feel like it's safe. So I have taken the matter in my own hands, literally. These are the LetsShave face razors. These come in a pack of 3. They cost around 400 rupees, which is a bit expensive for face razors. The Miniso ones are cheaper and they work as well. But I couldn't go to a Miniso right now, obviously, so I bought these off Amazon. They're really good, smooth shaving experience, highly recommended. The last product on this list is from Dettol. This is the Disinfectant Spray in the variant Spring Blossom. And this is a really handy dandy product. So you can spray your linens, your curtains, your sofas, your washroom with this, and this will disinfect everything. This comes in another variant which is Pine. I haven't tried that one, but this is really nice. One disadvantage of this product, it actually clogs your throat. So when you spray it, you can actually taste it in your throat. It clogs up in your throat. It is quite discomforting, but if you can get past that, this is a really nice product. I highly recommend it. The last 2 things on this list are actually something I like to do and something I like to watch. The first thing is painting. So I have fell in love with painting my room. I have painted this back panel rainbow, and I have also painted the 4 panels on my cupboard rainbow. They are a pastel rainbow, so I'll put a video of it right here. painting is something that really soothes my heart, and I did the cupboard in the past week where I really needed to take my mind off things. It was a serious time and I needed something to rejuvenate myself. So I resorted to painting and it has really helped me. Rainbows make me happy, and yes, it gave me a lot of joy when I was painting it. I get happy when I see it. So it has helped me a lot in the past week. The last thing on this list is something that I watch on Netflix and I love to watch it. It's RuPaul's Drag Race, and I have fell in love with that show. In the past month, I have completed 16 seasons of it. I have completed the original 12 seasons and then the All-Star 4 seasons. I haven't started with All-Stars 5. I'll start with it really soon. And yeah, it's an amazing show. If you like reality television and agar you liked Project Runway, so you'll like this show. It's really amazing. I love to watch it anytime. I can watch it literally anytime. So yeah, with that I come to an end to this video and I hope you really enjoyed it. Like, comment and subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to leave me comments of what you are watching on any of the OTT platforms and what other content you'd like to watch on this channel. And ring the bell icon. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. It's @nilakshigupta1104. I hope to see you really soon here. Bye. Be safe. Take care.